everyone, it's Leanne again from dorkyplannergirls.com. Today I'm going to take you along as I fill in my planner for the month of February using our cute little kit for February for the Hobonichi Cousin, and this one is called Lily's Valentine. Now, I did remember to pull a few things that I knew I was going to need later on, but let's start with the kit itself. Now, normally what I do is I start at the top with the date covers, but instead today I think I'm going to start at the bottom with the two washi strips. Luckily for me, they are both the same size, so there's no cutting or anything that I need to do this month, because we've got clear space all the way along to pop them down. In other months, sometimes the month is a bit longer and goes into an extra week, so they just pop a little box down the bottom, and if that's the case, then I just chop off a little piece wherever I need to. Okay, brilliant. So that's that down. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is the date covers at the top. So make sure you're popped down properly there. Let's take the first one, Monday to Wednesday, and line it up. There we go. It's always a bit difficult when you're planning in the front of your planner. There aren't as many pages behind it, so that's close enough. We'll settle for that. I do quite like the fact that this is all one long strip. If I'm honest, it's much easier for me than putting down the individual day stickers like we do when I plan the weeks. But I did that on purpose so that if you prefer a Sunday start planner instead of a Monday start planner like me, then you have options to use our kits as well. Although again, I suppose you could just cut it off, so it's all down to personal preference. This is the February sticker, and last time I put it over the top I liked how that looked, so I'm going to do that here. That's it, and then I think I am going to work on getting the number covers down. Let's see if I can find my tweezers that I have been using to put down my stickers lately. No, okay, 2 moments, I will go and find them. Haha, I have found them. They were on the floor down by my desk, so they must have rolled off, which is always helpful. But let's start with getting these numbers down. I think this is always the part of planning the monthly kits that takes the longest, putting down the numbers, but it is the one thing that I feel really pulls the whole spread together and makes it feel like cohesive. So it takes forever, but it's fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy putting stickers in my planner and making it all pretty, and I'm guessing you do too, otherwise you probably wouldn't be here watching this. Maybe I'll speed this bit up. there's the last one. Brilliant. Okay, the next thing I want to do is start filling in some of the appointments that we had this month. There weren't a huge amount, to be perfectly honest. We only had about 5 things that that we need to remember. I'm actually filming this on the 23rd at the moment, and there's only a couple of things left for next week. But let's start with the first thing, which was we had finally plumber actually make it inside the house to fix my upstairs loo, which was not flushing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cute house sticker and just pop it on top of one of our labels, peel that off, and that was on the 11th. So I'm just going to pop that down here at the bottom, and I'm going to write plumber, and he gave me an estimate of when he would arrive, which is always really frustrating when it's between 12 and 5. And I think he turned up at about 4:30, bless him, but he did fix it, so he has my eternal gratitude. The next thing that we need to pop down is my fiance's hospital appointment. He has just started some new medication, and he had to be taught how to use it in hospital. So I think what I would like to do is maybe pop a pink hospital. These are our new hospital stickers. I've chosen the pastel sheet, and I think that pink matches the kit quite nicely. And then I shall pop it on a purple background so it stands out. And then I'll pop that down on the right day, which was the 13th. It was a little bit of a nightmare because we literally drove around the hospital car park for about 25 minutes looking for a car parking space and couldn't find one at all. Ended up having to park absolutely forever away, because around the hospital they have a residents only permit zone because the hospital is that busy. But yeah, we managed to get in there in time. Like, we'd left plenty of time to arrive and find somewhere to park, thank God. The next thing that I want to put in is that it is my mummy's birthday. And we'll pop that on the 25th. So we'll use this cute pink cake from the kit, and we will pair it with a purple label. And I just stick them down gently so they don't overlap too much, and then they come up quite easily, even if they hang over the edge a little bit. That is on the 25th of February. So happy birthday, Mummy, for that day. And another, we had the MOT for the car. I need to put that in as well. So there's a car sticker that comes with this kit, which is brilliant, and it's a pink one, so I guess we're going with another purple sticker. There we go. The car did pass the MOT, so that was happy news. And that was at 10:45 a.m. MOT. And then I need to put in our appointment. We've got an appointment at the registry office to go and give notice. So let's pop that in the diary. That is on the 27th, and that's a purple number, so we'll use this cute pink sticky note. And we're going at 12:30 to give notice. fab. So that is actually all of my appointments done. I don't have a huge amount to put in this month. So let's move some of these things I don't need anymore, and I'll show you my plan to decorate the rest. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put down some of these larger box stickers. I think I will pop the pink one at the top, and then I will put this cute one at the bottom next to the pink. Okay, that's close enough. And then I pulled some of the die cut stickers out from my stash. I have a little box on the table, and every time I print a sheet of stickers, one of these sort of sized ones, I put 3 on a page. The last one goes sideways. And then I have this little space left over here. And so what I've been doing lately is filling them up with stickers that I just cut through completely, like a die cut sticker. And I've been adding different ones, and so I have like a whole collection of different designed lilies that I've been popping in the orders that I get. So I pulled this one out because I thought, I know it's the same as that, but I just thought it would look super cute and fill up some of the space on our sidebar over here. So this is where we test how skilled I am at doing die cut peeling. Oh, that's brilliant. That was actually quite fast for me. So I'm going to put this at the bottom. There we go. The only problem is it's covering up my 17. So before that gets completely stuck, let's see if I can lift 17, if it will let me. Or has it been too long? Aha, it has not. It might not quite as good when it goes back down, but that's all right. There we go. You'd never know. And then I have a little bit of space up here that I would like to use for one of these check boxes in. And I'm hoping that it's going to fit. So we'll cozy up to this one, I think. Plenty of room. Fabulous. Okay. So the only thing left to do is to use the separate sheet of Valentine's Day lily stickers, because that's obviously the artwork for the kit, and like I've done on previous months, I think I'll just dot them around to make the page feel a bit more full. Make it look like I've got more of a life. So this one's quite cheeky. This is Lily in her underwear, which is a bit risque, but we'll, yes, no judgment here. And then I'm literally just going to pop them down. I will pop this one on Valentine's Day, because that's definitely a wonderful day for me this year. And then I will just pop the others all around absolutely randomly, especially on the days that have already passed, where I know I don't need to save some room just in case. And pop you here, and maybe here. A jar of hearts that my daughter refers to as the jar of farts sticker. You can go at the bottom. These are our date night lily stickers. They're super cute as well. And oh, I'll pop you down here. Leave a bit of space just in case something happens. And that's the last one. That's a sheet finished. And we shall pop you, I think, here. Why not? There we go. So that is everything I needed to do to plan February. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to get your hands on this kit or any of our other monthly kits, feel free to come and visit us over at dorkyplannergirls.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.